Yeah, it's like this.
I woke up this morning, sat up and put some weed in my hand. Grabbed the paper from yesterday's pants. Then rolled the joint while still sitting in bed. Found a remote I need for the TV. Put on some Sex in the City. And it just so happens the lady was with me.